What's up, YouTube? Dallas Toys here.
XX Dice Roll XX here. And today we're gonna be finishing up the exhaust here. And we have some belt problems, and yeah. And also make sure to like, subscribe, turn on the bell so you get every video made, and yeah, do all that jazz. And yeah, there's some belt problems and finish up the exhaust today. So yeah.
Alright, so the motor was sagging a little bit on the crank side a little bit more, so it was causing the belt to wear a little more than it was supposed to. So I stacked some washers in there. I don't know if you can see them. There's two of them. Just a little bit, just to get it up a little higher. And it looks like it solved the alignment issue. But I couldn't do the exhaust until the motor was where it's supposed to be. So I got it pretty well where I want it to be. I can still drain the oil. Got a good plug up front, spot right here, fill. Well, here's the exhaust. I haven't put a tab back here yet because I want to wait till I get the seat on there. But it has a little bit of wiggle room. You know, the motor's gonna shake a little bit. And I prefer to have the mufflers on my go-karts and ATVs so we could go riding in the woods. So, let's give it a go. Predator 212. All right, it doesn't sound too bad. I did ride it wide open out on the street, was a couple months ago, but it was too loud. I don't want the cops getting called on me or nothing, you know? Well, that's it for today. I still have to upholster the seat. You know, got some little stupid things I gotta do. I was gonna trim the handlebars. And I gotta fix some of the body tabs. You know, it has been rolled or whatnot, you know. Hence why I got it for free. Well, that's it for Frankenstein. But I do have some more I was going to talk about today. So I got this snow blower engine for free. Tecumsen, 9 horse. It runs. Let me see. Let me show you guys what's going on here. Well, the previous owner had a problem with the starter button. Well, I'm not going to take that off. The on-off switch, the starter, has a starter on it, which I was pretty excited about. You know, got it for free, and that's 3/4. Look at this bad boy, free starter. There it is, right there, and it runs. Already had it running, and I got this, I guess, small live axle. It's got a keyway, so again, put a gear on there. That's a little short. It's like 1.5 feet maybe. So I don't know what I was gonna do with that. I was thinking about making a go-kart for me, a big boy cart. But I don't know. Just undecided. But I do have this over here that I gutted the other day. A little Yamaha, I think it was a 125. Take the motor out of there. I was thinking about making a trike out of this. I don't know, one thing at a time.